Hey, is that you, David?
Sarah, wow, it's been so long. How are you?
I'm doing great. I can't believe it's really you. When was the last time we met?
Maybe 10 years ago, at college. Time flies so fast.
Yeah, it really does. You look exactly the same.
Haha, thanks. You too. Just a few more gray hairs.
Guilty. So, what are you doing these days?
I'm working in a bank now. And you?
I'm running my own business. Life's been busy but good.
That's nice to hear. Are you still living in the same place?
Yes, I never moved. What about you?
I live in the city now. It's noisy, but exciting.
Great. We should catch up properly sometime, maybe dinner this weekend.
Sure, I'd love that. Let's bring some of our old friends too.
Perfect idea. I really missed those old days.
Me too, Shara. It's so good to see you again.
Same here, David. Let's not lose touch this time.
So tell me more about your business. What kind of work do you do?
I run a small digital marketing company. We help brands grow online. It started small, but now we've got a good team.
That's amazing. I always knew you were hardworking. Remember how you used to organize college events?
Haha, yes. And you were the one making sure everything stayed under budget. You were the serious one.
True, but those days were the best. We had so much fun even when things went wrong.
Absolutely. Remember our college trip to Murray? We got lost in the fog for hours.
Oh yes, and you kept saying, "Don't worry, I know the way," but you didn't.
Guilty again. Those memories still make me smile.
Same here. Life felt so simple back then, no deadlines, no pressure.
Yeah. Now it's all work, work, and more work. Sometimes I really miss those carefree days.
Me too, but it's good to see how far we've come. We've both done well.
True. Hey, do you still play cricket? You were the best batsman in our group.
Oh, not really. I hardly get time these days, but I still watch all the big matches.
Same here. We should play together someday just like old times.
That sounds great. Maybe next Sunday. I'll bring some of the old gang if they're free.
Perfect. I'll arrange the ground and snacks. It'll be fun.
Deal. It feels so good to reconnect, John. I really missed this friendship.
Me too, David. Some friendships never fade, they just wait for the right time to restart.
David, you actually made it. And look, Hamid and Sarah are here too.
Wow. It's just like the old days. Everyone looks so different, but still the same somehow.
Hey, you too. Long time no see. I can't believe we're all together again.
Yeah, it feels like we're back in college. Only now my back hurts when I run.
Don't worry, Shara. We'll go easy on you during the cricket match.
Cricket. You boys never change. What about us girls?
You can cheer for us like before. Remember how your cheering made us win the final?
Haha, I remember. But that was because the other team was scared of me shouting.
True, you had the loudest voice in the whole college.
And I was motivating the team.
You know, sitting here with you all feels so peaceful. We've all grown up, but it's nice to see that our bond hasn't changed.
Exactly. We got busy with life jobs, families, responsibilities, but some friendships just stay in the heart.
You're right, we should do this more often. Maybe meet once every month.
Great idea. We can rotate one-time dinner, next-time picnic, or maybe a movie night.
I love that. It'll help us stay connected. Life's too short to lose touch again.
Agreed. Let's promise we won't wait another 10 years.
Deal, but before that, let's play one last match for old time's sake.
You're on. Loser buys dinner.
Ha 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 ha. Alright, let's see if you still got your old batting skills.
And I'll be the umpire, fair and strict as always.
That was fun. I can't believe we actually played cricket after so many years.
Yeah. My legs are hurting, but it was totally worth it.
Same here. You still have that perfect cover drive though. Some things never change.
Thanks. You played well to accept when you missed that easy catch.
Hey, don't remind me. I was distracted.
You're right. You were busy talking instead of watching the ball.
Okay. Guilty again. Anyway, I really enjoyed today. It felt like being 20 again.
I know. Life feels so different now. Work, family, bills. We rarely get time for ourselves.
True. Sometimes I miss the old, simple days when our biggest worry was the next exam.
Exactly. Now we worry about deadlines and responsibilities. But I guess that's life.
Yeah, still, it's nice to have moments like this to remind us who we really are.
You're right. Friendships like ours keep us grounded.
By the way, how's your family doing?
They're good, alhamdulillah. My daughter just started school. She's so excited every morning.
That's adorable. You're a dad now, time really flies.
I'm really glad we met again, David. Feels like life gave us a second chance at friendship.
Couldn't agree more. Sarah, some bonds don't fade, they just wait for the right moment to return.